Today we will be learning about how you can improve your iPhone speed by up to 2 times. Hope you enjoy the video. Let's get started. So the first tip I'm going to show you all today is a tip that will drastically improve your iPhone speed. This tip is known as reduce motion. To activate this, you go to settings. Under settings, go to accessibility. Under accessibility, go to motion and turn on the first toggle, which is reduce motion. Reduce motion will reduce the animation and make your phone feel a lot faster. The second tip that you can use is a tip that resets your iPhone RAM. So to do this, you just hold the power button for about 10 seconds. When you see the slide to power off, leave the power button and click on the home button and hold the home button till you come to the home screen. Now your device is reset. Now another tip that will help you save storage as well as improve the speed of your iPhone is offload unused apps. Just go to General. Under iPhone Storage, it will display a list of all the unused apps. So if you want, you can delete all the unused apps or go to the particular app, for example GarageBand, and you can click on offload app. This will delete the app but keep all the data from the app, and it will also save you storage that will in turn make your phone faster. The third tip that I have for you is stopping your background refreshing. Go to settings, under general, under background app refresh. You can select background app refresh and turn off all refreshing. But this will stop things like your location on Google Maps, Apple Maps, etc. being accessed in the background. If you don't want to do this, you can scroll down and toggle each one off like I'm doing currently. Then you can go out of it. The fourth tip that I have for you is the simplest of all. Just double click on your home button and close all the app folders. This will instantly make your phone feel a lot faster. If you want your phone to be really fast, another tip is to update all the apps from the App Store and keep your software up to date. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, smash the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any feedback, please let me know in the comment section. Let me know what you all would like to see next. Thank you all so much for watching. Sayonara.